use two-component acrylic adhesive to bond two Kerrock elements. That is how we achieve invisible joints, as the adhesive is adapted to the color of the Kerrock sheet. It's necessary to diligently follow the instructions when preparing the adhesive and joining. The number of the color on the adhesive must correspond to the number of the color on the Kerrock sheet. When gluing two Kerrock sheets of different colors, we must use the adhesive of one of the colors. Before applying the adhesive on the edges of the two pieces, we must make sure that the two parts match perfectly. We must also check if the shades of the Kerrock pieces that we are bonding match. The adhesive is applied in the gap between the two elements. Afterward, they are pressed to their final location. The adhesive must be left to shrink for 45 minutes. Any further processing should be carried out 2 hours after the elements have been joined. The joint reaches its final hardness after 24 hours. The temperature of the Kerrock material, the adhesive, and the space where it's joined must be at least 18 degrees Celsius. Kerrock sheets in a marble style mimics the look of natural marble. The lines in the structure require that these types of sheets are joined at an angle of 45 degrees. This is the only way to ensure a nice look of the final product. We may also join elements with the use of grooves. This type of joining elements is easier, but the joints are visible. Kerrock sheets in a metallic style have similar visual characteristics as the marble sheets. That is why they are joined in the same way. This type of joining elements is required for sheets in a marble or metallic style and is recommended for other colors. It's possible to glue the Kerrock material to other materials with permanently elastic silicone or polyurethane adhesives, which enable stretching and thereby prevent the deformation of products. The instructions of the manufacturer of the elastic adhesives must be diligently followed during bonding. Before bonding the Kerrock bowl, we must check the correctness of the cutout and whether it's set evenly on the work surface. If the sheet and bowl are in the same color, the cutout on the sheet must be deepened in the same way as during the making of the edge of the sheets in a marble or metallic style to reduce the visible differences in shades between the sheet and the bowl. Apply the Kerrock adhesive to the circumference of the cutout and set the bowl inside. We recommend putting an additional weight on top of the bonded bowl. The joint may be processed after the adhesive has hardened.